Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing the environment of your Microsoft Developers account. Quickly on your browser, you head over to Office 360 Login and you click on Login. Once you do that, it loads up the environment. Please make sure you are logged into your developer's account. That is not your personal account, because if you are logged into your personal account, some services will be using for this class and subsequently you will not have access to it. Make sure you are logged into your developer's account. Also, this is a quick note that this class is for people with zero or no idea on how to use the Microsoft Developers account. We're going to be considering so many things on this Microsoft Developers account. We'll be building things. Today, I'll just be exploring the various parts of the Microsoft Developers account, and possibly we'll be starting with Microsoft Power Automate, because we'll be discussing about 3 or 4 concepts. We'll be discussing lists, we'll be discussing SharePoint, we'll be discussing Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Apps. These are majorly the focus we'll be considering in this our journey with Microsoft Developers account. So quickly, if you notice at the top right here, I have what is called the app launcher. One that is this dot at the top here. Once you click it, it gives you a drop down of all the applications you can see, and when you click on all apps, it now brings out plenty other applications for you that are not on the first list. That is where you can search your applications from. Now, content is where your content that you'll be bringing into the developer's account will be located. You'll be along the line, I will be showing you on how you can use most of these. Now, this is your Office Outlook account from the developer's account. You have the Teams account, you have access to MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you also have the admin. So we'll be discussing admin firstly. So I'm going to click on admin. Now it's going to be opening a new tab for me. I'll make sure I select my developers account. Now it's currently opening the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay, now that we have our Office 365 Admin Center up here, I'll be showing us some things. We have the home, we have the users, we have teams and group, we have billing and setup. Majorly what I'll just be showing you here is you may want to collaborate, share your account with people, or work with someone within your confines, your friends. Maybe you have a group, you are learning together, maybe they don't want to create their own accounts and you want it to be like an organization setup. You can easily come to the admin setup here, and then you can say add a user. Once you click on add a user, it will ask you to fill in whoever's name you are, who you want to add into this admin session. Now you notice that it carries the domain extension of my Microsoft account, that is the developer's account. Once you are done, you can just hit next and you create an account for the individual that you want to work together with in your own remote organization. Majorly, you can reset the password and you can do other things. I just wanted to show you how you can do that here. Now, for the users, you can get the contact, the active, you can delete the user. These are some things you could do. Now, if you click on show more, you will notice we have set up and so many other things. All the services we'll be using, this is where the admin session can control them. Later along the line, when we'll be using some services, we'll have to come back here and activate some things. So quickly, we'll go back to our Office 365 environment. We want to click on the app launcher, and for this class, we'll be starting with something like Power Automate. What is Power Automate? Power Automate allows you to create flows within an organization. These flows could be within an organization, from maybe a local file, from a business process, or from an individual entity. So I will be launching the environment because we want to consider, once you click on add more, now you see you have Power Apps, you have Power Automate, Power BI. Now we'll be considering the Power Automate. Once you click it, it launches in a new tab. Okay, make sure you select your developer's account. Now it's loading up and it says welcome. For the first time, it says you should make sure you select your region. I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to be selecting Nigeria. Then I'll say get started. Now, once you do that, wow, you have your Power Automate environment launched for you here. And now it's saying some other advert. You may just close all of that. The next thing we'll be doing from here is that, take for instance, we have, you are new and you don't even know what's Power Automate and you want to use them. There are plenty of templates for us to first practice with, even before we start creating our own flows. Now I'll be showing you how you can create some little flows and how you can start up with your own flow subsequently. But for now, the Power Automate environment looks exactly just like the Office environment. You have the app launcher here, you have list of activities you can do on Power Automate. You have the email processes, you have file processes, and you have notification processes. Likewise, if you scroll down, you could see you have some learning videos and learning content, documentations you can leverage on here. So for this class, we're going to click on templates from the side slide bar here. You click on templates, you notice you have various templates which are endless because there are so many, and they are different categories. You have topic, you have shared with, you have remote work, you have approvals, you have button, you have VS, you have data collection, network, the emails, calendars, and phone. Now I would click on phone. Once I click on phone, you could see the different flows you can do with that of a mobile phone. And once you come back and you click on top picks, you would see what are the most top picked flow for over a period of time. That is, you can also check shared. Presently, I've not been shared with anyone, or I've not created, but these are some that have been shared. So I can say remote work. Okay, now that we have taken a quick look into the various environments, in our next video, we'll be going further to create some flows and put most of what we have learned here into action. Thank you very much, and see you in another one.